Oh, hi guys. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm not in my normal attire. I'm actually testing out my Halloween costume. Well, I want to see if my Halloween costume actually looks like what I'm going for, so you be the judge. So I think this week is just gonna be filled, this video is just gonna be filled with nonsense starting exactly right now. Who is it? Alright! What do you need help with? English! You want to bring it in here and be in my video? Okay, I'm recording right now, but there's no one watching because I have to edit it.
Oh, that's yours? Look at English.
Don't judge me, but yeah, that's mine. Right now, ready?
Hey, I'm Brian Schmid. Yeah.
What are your hobbies, Brian? What's your favorite color? On a pig.
Pink?
Seems legit.
We're on paintballs.
He put the
on my bed.
What? He put the subwoofer.
On paintballs that he had. Because they were on the floor. And
Why
I
would you do
step
that?
Because they were on the floor.
Tired!
It's on the floor.
Yeah, they were.
They were.
Yeah, they were on the floor, and I didn't want to step on them, so I put them on his bed.
And yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah. That's plastic on it. Back to homework! I helped his homework. Did I do a good job helping you with your homework?
Yes.
Okay, Phil.